My dear 5th standard students, this is English class, and in today's class, let us learn the lesson, The Legend of Jashwantgarh. Legend means famous person, and Jashwantgarh is the name of a place in Arunachal Pradesh. In this lesson, we will see who was very famous in Jashwantgarh and how did he become famous. Jashwant Singh Rawat was an Indian soldier. We can see patriotism and great courage of Jashwant Singh Rawat in the Battle of Nuranang in the year 1962. Arunachal Pradesh is a state in India. Jashwantgarh is a place in Arunachal Pradesh. Nuranang is located in the border of India and China. China waged a war against India. The war started on 17th November 1962 and continued for 3 days, that is 72 hours. Watch the video of the battlefield. Nuranang was the last lonely point of the Indian military in the Indo-China border. At 5 a.m. in the morning, the Chinese army attacked the Nuranang post. The Indian military officials came to know that the Chinese army was stronger. It was understood by the military officials that our country, India, could not win the Nuranang war. So they asked the soldiers to retreat. Retreat means withdraw from enemy forces as a result of their superior power. After getting the orders from the military officials, the soldiers started coming back to their camp. Jashwant Singh Rawat did not leave his post. He decided to continue the war. He was waiting for the reinforcement. Reinforcement means extra personnel sent to strengthen the army. But he did not get any extra personnel from the military. So he went to the nearby village and asked for help. The two village girls, Sela and Nura, came forward to help Jashwant. He taught the village girls to use the fire guns. He asked Sela and Nura to set up the fire guns at different places. Now the three started shooting the Chinese army. Jashwant was running to different gun points and kept shooting the Chinese. He wanted to show that the Indian army was huge. Jashwant and the village girls killed 300 Chinese soldiers. After seeing the death of 300 Chinese soldiers, the Chinese military thought that it was very difficult to face Indian military. With the help of two village girls, he was able to manage the Chinese military. A man from local area brought food for these three persons. Unexpectedly, the man who brought food was caught by the Chinese. The Chinese soldiers asked him many questions. At last, they found out the truth. Only Jashwant Singh with the two village girls were guarding the lonely Nuranang post. The other soldiers left the Nuranang post. After learning the truth from the local man, the Chinese soldiers became very angry. Now they gained courage to capture Jashwant Singh. The Chinese started the final attack. They found it very easy to go near Jashwant Singh. The Chinese wanted to capture Jashwant Singh alive. He saw the Chinese military coming closer to him. He did not want to be in the hands of his enemies. So he took a decision to end his life by shooting. Children, he was fearless. He did not have any support except the two girls Sela and Nura. Even in that situation, he wanted to fight for our country. Like other soldiers, he did not go back to save his life. Now we will see what happened to Sela and Nura. So sad that Sela was killed in a grenade blast. Nura was captured alive by the Chinese and she too might have been killed. We have lost the real heroes of our nation in the Battle of Nuranang. Our Indian government wanted to honor these three persons. In the name of Jashwant, there is a place in Arunachal Pradesh known as Jashwant Gar. Next, he was given the Mahavir Chakra award. This is the second highest military decorations in India. The government has built a memorial for Jashwant Singh Rawat. In the Himalayan mountains, there is a pass called Sela Pass. A pass is a path to cross mountains. They have given the name of Nura for a river and also a waterfalls. These three persons lost their life in the Battle of Nuranang. But their name and fame will never die. All army personnel who pass through this memorial pay their respect to him. The Indian Army still treats him as a serving officer and awards him promotions. Jashwant may have died in battle that day, but he still lives in the memory of people in Jashwantgarh and the Indian Army. We must feel proud of Jashwant. Is it not, children?